When we started with JCI itself, JCI Vasco being my second home, and whatever the individual development, whatever professionalism was given, be a part of this great vibrant organization, bring that individual development in you, improve day by day, bring that JCI Vasco anytime. This number which I asked you to note down is the current secretary's number, JCI Advocate Aniket.
I request JC Raj to introduce the chief guest for today.
Hello everyone, this is JC Sushant Vengulekar, the president of JCI Vasco. This year in 2023 we are back. JCI Vasco is back with Rainbow 36th Rainbow after completing 35 years of successful Rainbow, and we have celebrated Rainbow in a grand way. We had 2 days of celebration, that is 26th of August and 27th of August, including a lot of events into it. We had face painting, patriotic singing, group dance. We had different events that had catered a lot of talent to the schools which are around Murmugaon Taluka. We have covered approximately 20 schools and we had approached more than 37 schools. We have received a great response this year. Junior Chamber International is an international organization spread across 124 countries in the world. And we are in India, it is one of the oldest. In India, it is one of the oldest organization, completing over a century. JCI Vasco was founded in 1966 by an Irish gentleman, wherein we cater individual development. We are more into individual development. We are more into individual trainings that cater different aspects of a person's life, right from schools till colleges till corporate level. So that's how JCI works. Besides that, we are also following a lot of, we also cater a lot of other social works, like, we have a lot of projects like Parivartan. This year we had a project called Parivartan, wherein we had a huge amount of e-waste collection drive, which was collaborated with different other clubs around Vasco. We also had we are also having a flagship project this year, that is Toy for Joy, wherein we are giving free toys towards government schools and needy students across Vasco. So this is how JCI Vasco works, and we are looking for new membership and growth in this organization. Thank you so much.